Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can place a limit order in E-Trade. So let's get started. So first is you have to access the trading menu. So you must first log into E-Trade application and then navigate to the trade section to begin an order. Next is to enter ticker symbol. So it usually looks like this. So use the search bar to find the stock or the ETF symbol, like for example, the AAPL that you wish to trade. Next is the action and the quantity. So select buy or sell and then specify the number of shares that you want to trade in the quantity field. Next is to select the limit order. So in the order type field, you have to tap on the change it from the market to limit. So next is to set your price. So enter the limit price and you must remember for buy you have to set it below the current price, and for sell you have to set it above the current price. So next is to set the time in force or the TIF and select the duration, which is the day, so expires at the market close, or the GTC, which is good till cancelled, which lasts up to 60 days. Next is to review the order. So tap the review order button and check the price, quantity, commission, and estimated total carefully. Next is to place your order. So if everything looks correct, tap on the place order to submit it to the exchange. And there you have it. Your process is successful. So your limit order is now live. So it will set on the books until it is filled or expires. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.